Welcome to Luzern, Switzerland, one of the most beautiful cities in the world. Today we will be exploring Luzern and its must-visit places near Old Town. The train ride in Switzerland is an experience like no other. Wherever you travel in Switzerland, you will experience breathtaking Swiss Alps, snow-capped mountains, sparkling lakes, and charming villages during your journey. We would recommend you to stay near the Old Town in Lucerne as it allows you to easily explore the city's most popular attractions on foot, including the Chapel Bridge. We will also be using Lucerne as a base station to visit Mount Titlis. Do check out its complete video in the link mentioned above. The Reuss River at Luzern is a sight to behold. Along its banks, you will see magnificent old buildings that have stood for centuries and a variety of restaurants offering delicious Swiss cuisine with stunning views of the river. The night view of the Reuss River and its surroundings is also a magical experience. The old buildings are illuminated with warm golden lights casting reflections on the water, creating a picturesque and romantic atmosphere. From here we will head to the Chapel Bridge, one of the most iconic landmarks in Lucerne. This wooden bridge dates back to the 14th century and is the oldest wooden covered bridge in Europe. The Chapel Bridge is decorated with beautiful paintings and offers stunning views of the Reuss River and the surrounding mountains. You can take a leisurely walk across the bridge and enjoy the picturesque scenery. have the Luzern Lake, one of the most beautiful lakes in Switzerland. This lake is unusual because it has very irregular shape with many bends and turns and four arms. The crystal clear water of the lake is surrounded by picturesque mountains, offering a stunning backdrop for visitors. Take a boat ride to explore the lake or simply relax by the shore and take in the breathtaking scenery. Now let's walk through the charming streets of the old town. From historic buildings and charming shops to delicious Swiss cuisine and stunning views, the old town has something for everyone to enjoy. We hope this video has inspired you to visit this beautiful city and explore all that it has to offer. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more travel adventures. Until next time, happy travels!